Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm glad today to be taking you through Excel errors. So Excel errors are basically the outcomes that come when you're working with Excel. Yeah, and there are so many of them. We have #div, then we have #name, #value, we have #error, then basically these are the ones that I can give you for now, but there are so many, there are very many. So I'm going to show you how they come about and how you can correct them when you see them. So for you to work on, you go to your Excel, open your Excel, open your Excel. Yeah, you go to your blank workbook. So you come to your sheet, your working sheet. You can type like, I'm going to show you how you can, how #div come, the one that comes when you divide a number by 0. Okay, you can type your number here, then you come here, you say equal signs. I want to divide this number. I want to divide this number by 0, and we see what it gives us. You see, it gives us #div because no number can be divided by 0. Okay, so for it tells you that you have divided a number by 0, which is not possible. So a computer detects it automatically that that division is not applicable anywhere in any mathematics. So if you delete it, so maybe you want to divide your number by 2, say maybe you want to divide your number by 2, then you say from divide by 2. You see, it gives you 37, which is the average of 74. So again, let me take you through #name. #name comes about when you type a wrong function. Okay, like you wanted to sum, which is the addition, but you ended up writing their add instead of writing their sum. Okay, like this. Let's say this. Come to our functions. This sum. We say sum. Yeah, we say that. Let's say go first one to see the error. Say add for me. This number, this number. Okay, you will see what it will give you. See, use that #name. So for you to correct it, this guy just come to your formula bar. Come to your formula bar here, then you just change this. Maybe you wanted a sum, wanted there to be sum. Okay, you wanted here to be sum. See, maybe this is what you wanted to see. Gives you your answer. Okay, so that's hash name. So let me take you through hash value. Hash value basically comes when you're working with numbers, then maybe accidentally you type in, instead of typing, maybe wanted to type 710,979, then you ended up writing this. Okay, it gives you a hash value when you try to add your figures. When you try to add your figures, let me say I wanted to add this and this, it will give us hash value. You see, it has given us hash value. Now for you to correct it, come here and you delete that G that was there, then you say let's enter. You see, it gives us our answer correctly. Okay, so again there is another one which is called the hash error. The hash error normally comes when then the cell that you're working with reduces its size. Okay, you accidentally reduce the size of the cell that you already typed your values. Now let's try to reduce this one and you see what it will give us. Just type value, just maybe like that. Just type our value that we wanted to type here. Maybe this. See, it gives us a triple hash, which is also an error. So for you to correct it, it's just a matter of you just come to increase the size of your cell to fit the numbers that you typed in. You see, it has given us our number. This is our number that we typed in. So that's basically the errors that I can take you through and how you can correct them. So thank you for watching my YouTube videos. Continue watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, commenting and watching. Thank you. We'll meet again in my next video. Thank you so much.